Hey, welcome to Gender Adventures. So it's just me and Jet here today, and we're here to talk about how being on hormones has been kind of doing changes. Um, at this time of filming, I am just under 3 months on T. My voice has already changed significantly. I can't even get up to where my voice was. If I try, it cracks. So, and there's Lucy laughing. Another thing that I have been noticing, oh my gosh, I am so much warmer. Temperatures in the fall that used to be like, oh goodness, it's fall. I need to put on a sweater and a coat. I am outside in a t-shirt going, 55 is amazing. I understand. Oh, I understand guys who wear a sweatshirt all through winter. Never understood before. Which, there's another thing that is kind of unique to me, is that with menopause as well, I am having hot flashes. So sometimes I do, like, my hot flashes to the point where I'm spiking fever occasionally. Which I'm going to be talking with my doctor, who I see for hormone treatment, about soon. So that'll be an interesting conversation. Another change that I've been getting is that I've kind of gotten a little bit more square. Now, I am wearing a binder right now, but like my mastic tissue has kind of decreased a bit as fat's been redistributed. Around my glutes area has also kind of gotten a little bit smaller. And actually, it's all ended up in my midsection, so I'm working out a lot to try to cut that down. Another thing is it's changed my face shape just a wee bit. And Lucy's pointed out, like, just a little bit. I kind of have an Adam's apple. And acne. Did I mention acne already? That's definitely been a bigger problem for me. I've been trying to stay on top of it. Thankfully, knowledge that I have now that, a lot of teenage boys don't have is proper skincare. So I do know to be like, oh, hey, don't, touch the zit with your gross hand. Wash your hands before you start taking care of it. And, don't overly dry out your skin by washing your face too much. I have noticed a little bit more hair in other places. I have a little bit more hair on my lower stomach. I have a little bit longer hair on the sides of my face. I have approximately 2 chin hairs, which you cannot see. Other than that, I'm excited to see how my body changes more the longer that I'm on testosterone. I have been sweating a little bit more, but that is because I'm warmer. And pheromone-scented, perfumes smell different on me because obviously my pheromones are changing. I do still have, a lot of the body dysmorphia. Because I have to remember that this is a transition. It's not like I'm going to start taking testosterone and poof, I'm going to be a hunk of a man. No, there's awkward phases. It's all awkward. I feel so awkward. And it takes work, too. It's not like just because I'm sitting on the couch, or just because I have testosterone in me sitting on the couch, I'm going to look suddenly physically fit. Just like when I had ovaries, sitting on the couch didn't suddenly make me an attractive female. It takes work. It takes exercise. It takes watching what you eat so you're not just eating potato chips all day. So it takes being good to your body. I look forward to finding out how I eventually end up looking. It's going to take time. And I very much have to remember that. So, anyways, thank you for checking in on how I'm doing in transitioning. I will definitely be posting other videos of this as things continue to go on, especially if my testosterone dose changes at all. But thank you for joining. Please like and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Comment down below. We always love hearing back from you. And then also share with as many people as you can, because you never know who this is going to help. So, thank you for joining us, and have a good one.
Hey all, Wolfie here. So, Just letting you know that that video was shot just a couple weeks ago, and my voice and face has changed a little bit since then. I think it changed a little bit sharper, but you be the judge. Anyways, hope you guys are enjoying, and catch you next time. Doodles!